In front of me I have Fossil Q-Wonder, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the screen lock protection on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on the option called personalization. And here we have option called screen lock. Tap on it, and if you don't have any screen lock already enabled, you will see the list of options. You will have pattern, pin, password, and none. If the option none is selected, of course, the screen lock is disabled. If you select pattern, you will use the pattern option. If you select pin, it's gonna be pin, and password is gonna be password. Now select the preferred type of screen lock. I'm gonna select pattern, for example. And now we need to enter the pattern, or rather draw the pattern we want to use for a watch. So I'm gonna draw the pattern like this. Then we need to draw it again to confirm. And as you can see now, the screen lock is enabled. It says automatic, that means it's enabled. And you can, for example, lock the screen now. This option will appear right here. Let's tap on it, then tap the check mark. And now the screen should be locked. And when I try to wake up the screen on the watch and use the watch, it's gonna prompt me to enter the pattern to unlock the screen. So let's unlock it. Also, if you want to disable the screen lock, simply open the settings again, scroll down, tap on personalization, tap on the screen lock option, enter the current pin, password, or pattern, and then you can scroll down, select none, and tap the check mark to disable it, like this. And that's how you enable the screen lock protection on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave me a like on the video.